Update on this. We just recently started a new AR build. We're going to be doing this from the ground up. Everything, we're not going to buy an assembled upper, nothing. We're buying everything piece by piece. It's actually for a friend of mine who's just getting into this AR tactical thing, and he doesn't want to go into it and not know something about it, so we figured the best way to learn an AR is to build one from the ground up. So we started by getting a stripped lower. It's just a Bushmaster stripped lower. We bought a lower parts kit from a friend of mine, actually the same friend that we bought the lower from, and when we got it, it was only about half there. So as you can see, it's got a trigger group and a hammer and everything, and it's got a bolt stop, or well, bolt release, whatever. But that's it. It doesn't even have a rear takedown pin, so we got a few things to get, but we just placed an order yesterday for a barrel, gas tube, a stripped upper receiver, and then I already have some other things laying around, and what I don't have, another friend of mine has, and we're all kind of contributing the things that we don't need to help our friend.
All right, guys, what's going on? Brownells just came in knocking again. We got our UPS order. Just kind of got it thrown together now. Not even assembled, but got our barrel, got our stripped upper, got our buffer tube assembly, and you know, gas tube and rear takedown pin, a couple little things that we were missing. So we're gonna head out to a buddy's house tonight. We're gonna get the rest of the few things we need. We need the forward assist, we need the dust cover, the rest of the lower parts kit we were supposed to have, and we're gonna throw all that together tonight. We got the gas block, the handguard, and the delta ring assembly and everything else over there also. So we'll go ahead and head over there here in a minute. We'll throw that together, or yeah, we'll throw it all together and we'll update it. And then we're looking for a bolt carrier assembly, and that's all we're gonna need. So here it is so far. And again, it's just kind of set together, not put together. Excuse the dirty ass rub. So I think this is what we're gonna run for optics, at least for now. It's just a millet red dot on a LaRue quick detach mount. There's all the shit. Alright, so here it is, finally fully assembled. It's not complete. I mean, it's complete in the sense that it's fully functional. There is a lot of things that that my friend plans on putting on this. But as far as being completely assembled and functional, it's now done. So, like I said, we got the Bushmaster lower, DSA upper, Daniel Defense barrel. I don't know exactly what kind of gas block that is. Mil spec buffer tube, etc., etc. And again, he's going to be putting a lot of his own accessories on here to make it a little more personalized. But in the meantime, you know, the initial build is complete. So here it is. So we'll take it out now and take some shots with it and see how she functions. Alright, so we're out at the range. We'll take some shots, first shots, make sure it functions properly the way it's supposed to. And then we'll shoot this when we're done, just for fun. So, go ahead and shoot when you're ready. Those mags are loaded. See some rapid fire. Beautiful. Functions like a champ. Alright, want to hold this, let's throw some rounds through the AK. Clear. Just had a couple failures with the AK, and I thought that was odd, but then the bullets that we ejected have dimpled primers, as you can see, so those were bad rounds, not the AK's fault. Just throwing it out there. Nice.